Integrated Korean, Beginning 1, Consonant, Part 2. Let's review the pronunciation of the consonants in the Korean alphabet.
그,
Sounds like
그,
as in go.
느,
Sounds like
느,
as in no.
드,
Sounds like
드,
as in dog.
르,
Can sound like L or R.
무,
Sounds like
머,
as in mom.
브,
Sounds like
브,
as in boy.
스,
Sounds like
스,
as in spoil.
으,
Sounds like
응,
as in king when it's the final consonant, and it's silent when it's the initial consonant.
즈,
Sounds like
저,
as in jump.
츠,
Sounds like
쳐,
as in chat.
크,
Sounds like
크,
as in kite.
트,
Sounds like
트,
as in top.
프,
Sounds like
프,
as in pen.
흐,
Sounds like
흐,
as in hat. The sound quality of
르,
is very different from that of either English L or English R, although
르,
is romanized as R or L. Depending on its position, R is pronounced as a so-called flap R, like Japanese or Spanish R, or so-called English light L, as in lung and slope. There is no dark L as in milk or bill in Korean. That's why many Korean people have difficulty pronouncing English words with a dark L, and English speakers have difficulty producing Korean light L when it occurs after a vowel. The Korean tense consonants
끄, 뜨, 뿌, 스,
and
쯔,
are very similar to skill, steam, speak, sun, and gadget, respectively. While English allows up to 3 consonants in syllable initial and syllable final positions, as in strike and tasks, Korean allows only 1 consonant in those positions. Thus, for example, the single-syllable English word strike is borrowed into Korean as a 5-syllable loanword,
스트라이크,
with the insertion of the vowel
으,
to make it conform to Korean syllable structure. Similarly, the final S in the Korean word kat becomes silent before a consonant or when the word occurs alone, because a spoken syllable does not allow 2 consonants after a vowel. In Korean, only 7 consonants can be used as the final consonant sound of a syllable.
그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 응.
The other 12 consonants can appear in the final position in writing, but they cannot be pronounced as the final sound of the syllable. This is due to the unreleased or closure nature of word final consonants in Korean. For example, when 옷, which means clothes in Korean, is pronounced, the S sound is not released. Instead, it is pronounced as an unreleased
드,
sound, as both sounds occur at the same place of articulation. Korean consonants have their own names. Most names are made by using the consonant sound at the start of the first syllable with the vowel E and at the end of the second syllable with the vowel W.
으,
Double consonants are called
쌍,
followed by the consonant name because
쌍,
means double in Korean. Now listen to the name of each consonant and repeat after it.
기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 치읒, 키읔, 티읒, 피읒, 히읗, 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒,